Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to improve your start in a race in F1 24. The first thing that you need to keep an eye on is the optimal RPM when starting the race. If you don't know the optimal RPM, in the bottom right corner you can see the text changing from reach optimal RPM to maintain optimal RPM. If the text says to maintain it, we can be certain that we reached the optimal amount of RPM and now we just need to wait for the red lights to disappear. If you have traction control disabled, you don't want to use full throttle immediately after the start. Gradually push the acceleration button and gear up early if needed to not spin out. In the clip you can see that if I keep pushing the acceleration button to the max in the second or even third gear, I begin spinning out. If you play with full DCS, then you shouldn't really worry about that. Of course, the weather condition and tire compound also influence your start and what should you do, so keep that in mind. For example, when it's very wet, you might want to gear up even earlier and be even more gently with the throttle. If needed, practice in the Grand Prix mode, where you can create specific scenarios and train your throttle game. And that's it, thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!